The deer meat. He looks like he doesn't like the food, but he actually likes.
Yeah, he likes deer meat.
Thank you. Yummy.
All right, so once we moved to the suburbs, a lot of people told us to go to Dengeos, so we're here today. We're gonna try out some of their stuff. I'm really excited for it, so let's go eat. With locations in Skokie, Buffalo Grove, and Glenview, Dengeos is known for its home-style Greek-American menu options. They offer a wide variety of high-quality Greek and American specialties such as gyros, ribs, Greek and barbecue chicken, burgers, and the famous Dengeos salads. We got quite a few classics here at Dengeos. We got the pork kebab plate. I got a gyro, some falafel, a baklava cheesecake. I'm assuming that's a baked potato.
Yes.
And obviously you get some pita bread, right?
Yeah.
And tzatziki sauce. So we're gonna dig in. Nico's gonna try some of this, so let's see how he does. Nico.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I hate, but to be quite honest, I've never had a bad falafel.
Okay, here we go. Oh, good time.
Just pull the bit off, yeah. Can't go wrong with gyro meat. It's nice, you can taste the spices. It's tender. Some bits are crispy, some bits are not. Some bits are softer. And yeah, let's dig in.
It's massive.
Oh yeah. When you get a full bite with everything in it, it's really good. I can see why a lot of people like this place. Yeah, it's a good gyro.
Can't do it with my hands. Is that allowed? That's really good.
So how soft is it?
It's pretty tender. And it's really flavorful. I was craving like barbecue something. And since we live in a condo and we don't have a barbecue, this is the spot.
Yeah, it's like a good workaround. Alright, so switch. Yeah, so these kebabs remind me a lot of the pork kebabs in Puerto Rico, the pinchos. If you guys ever go, you're gonna see a lot of street carts that sell pinchos. They sell something very similar, so. I'm really glad it's not. We were also recommended to go to. We were also recommended to try Hubs, and we did go. It's kind of very similar, right? They have a lot of similar things on the menu. The original Hubs restaurant in Skokie was established in 1976 and has devoted itself to home cooking favorites, fast service, and reasonable prices in a casual atmosphere. As much as I enjoyed the pork souvlaki, which some followers recommended, I admittedly fell in love with their onion rings and patty melt. No. I think what convinced me to get it was the combination of pickles and onions. I was like, oh, that sounds good. Oh yeah. And then the bread is nice and golden, like crispy. You can taste kind of like the butter, but it's just like the onions, pickles, and beef just go so well together.
Is it like a grilled cheese?
It's kind of like if you were to grill.
I've never had a patty melt, that's what I'm asking.
If you were to make a grilled cheese and stick a burger bun in it and some pickles and onions, yeah, that's more or less what you'd eat here. Oh, it's really good. Check it out. And yeah, you really can't go wrong with these places. I really love them. Family style restaurants. You can sit with Nico, just have a meal. It's great for when you don't want to cook. Maria's the resident dessert expert.
Yeah.
So.
We got baklava cheesecake. That just sounded great.
Ooh, a smush.
I think I need a knife.
Maybe.
Yeah. Nico, you can have it. Hey. Nico wants to eat it, but he can't. I think you might have honey. A lot happening.
It's a multifaceted dessert.
It's very sweet, but it's good. It tastes more of the baklava.
You get a lot of the baklava. You don't get a lot of cheesecake, so one is a little bit more pronounced than the other. So I think you have to do like a little smaller piece of baklava. It's really good. The cheesecake isn't too sweet, so I like that.
Yeah, it has like a layer of cake at the bottom. It's very Who's winning?
Nico.
I won.
Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you're ever in the Skokie, Evanston area and you want a sit-down family restaurant, Dengeos is definitely the place to go. Really like their food. Really good kebabs. The gyro is really good. Falafel were great, and got plenty of seating. Got a patio, and you know, it's really good food. You can't go wrong with any of this stuff. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.